Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. Are you waiting to see something? But before starting the lesson, before starting to see new things, you have to make happy faces like this, okay? Yes. Now, my dear students, dear friends, I I want to tell you the topic of the day or the letter of the day is K. K. This is capital K and this is small k. Its phonic is K. K. Its phonic is K. Okay, let's start to see some beautiful friends. What is it? This is kite. What is this? Kite. Do you like this? One more picture. How much this boy is happy. Why he is happy? Because he is flying kite. Friends, kite begins with phonic k. K, kite. K, kite. Do you want to fly kite? Okay. Next friend is, what is it? This is a key. Key. K, key. I have one more thing for you. This is keychain and these are keys. Keychain, key. Keys. Keys begin with phonic k. Keys. K, keychain. K, keychain. Okay, friends, have you keychain like this? Okay. Next friend is a fruit. Do you know which fruit is this? This is kiwi. This fruit's name is kiwi. Kiwi begins with phonic k. K, kiwi. K, kiwi. Okay, friends. Next friend is, who is he? He's a king. King. King always wears a crown on his head. So he is king. King begins with phonic k. K, king. K, king. Now I want to show you one more king. Oh, this is a lion. Do you know it is the king of jungle? Yes, lion is the king of jungle. What the lion is? King. K, k, king. K, king. Okay, now I have one more thing. What is it? Please subscribe our channel. Click bell icon for notification of our upcoming videos. Please like and share videos. Put your comments in our comment section. What is it? It is a cat. Cat. What is it? Cat. And what is it? This is also a cat. It is mama cat and it is baby cat. The baby of the cat is called kitten. Kitten. Okay. The baby of the cat is called kitten. K, kitten. K, kitten. Look how much beautiful this kitten is. I also like it. Okay. Look at next. It is animal and its name is kangaroo. Kangaroo. Do you know Kangaroo has a pouch on its belly to pick his baby in it. Okay? To keep its baby in it. This is kangaroo. Kangaroo lives in jungle. Kangaroo begins with phonic k. K. Kangaroo. K. Kangaroo. Okay. Next, what is it? This is a cattle. This is a cattle. Cattle begins with phonic k. K. Cattle. K. Cattle. Have you seen all the friends? Please do some comments in comment box, okay? And support me. We will meet in next video. Allah Hafiz.